Coronavirus good news. The good news is, please hold your breath and listen carefully. It is really good news, coronavirus treatment approved in UK and US. Being a public health professional, I have done a lot of research, and got the latest news at 17:47 p.m. the 7th of April 2020. At last something has come up. Blood plasma from recovered patients helps the infected get better in 3 days, study claims. 10 COVID-19 patients in China who were severely ill in hospital saw their symptoms disappear, and rapidly improve within 72 hours after the therapy. Great news! 10 COVID-19 patients in China received convalescent plasma therapy. The symptoms subsided within 3 days. After a single dose of treatment, none of the patients died, compared with 3 in the control group. Patients in the UK and US received the therapy in trials following China and Italy. Reference news by Vanessa Chalmers, health reporter from Mail Online, published 16:11 p.m. 7 April 2020, update 17:47 p.m. the 7th of April 2020. I also contacted my doctor friend from China, Wuhan City. The doctor from Wuhan has also confirmed the news. He said, when we came to know the exact cure of COVID-19. They are out of lockdown now. And also, when people died in China, post-mortem was performed, they find out the cause of coronavirus. Now they are aware how they can prevent it from spreading. They made this strategy to follow and implemented it successfully. And now coronavirus is in controlled by China. But he also told to follow strictly the advice of lockdown. The lungs plays the important role in COVID-19 disease, so let's follow and kill coronavirus before it reaches our lungs. They found COVID-19 targets the only respiratory system and damage the lungs. Patients need extra breathing support, potentially resulting in respiratory failure. They need support of ventilator. Only ventilator can prevent. But if the case becomes severe, even ventilator will not help, and leads to death. Before it gets worse, let's follow the advice of China, and survive, without ventilator. Very important is stay at home, relax and be safe. Wash your hands with soap and water frequently. Cover your mouth when coughing and don't touch your face, nose and eyes. Wash your hands if you sneeze. Follow social distancing. If you go out in emergency, stay 2 meters away. Strictly follow. If you are sick, try to wear face mask. Please follow the advice regularly. Chinese doctor says follow this even you are staying at home, and protect yourself from coronavirus. Number 1. Very important, take always warm food. Anything you eat should be warm. Even you are drinking water, it should be warm always, not even at room temperature. All these precautions is to prevent building mucus. Mucus is the main problem in COVID-19. The thick mucus blocks your respiratory pathway. Basically, it does not allow air to pass. How a person can survive without breathing. Oxygen is so necessary. Not enough oxygen means it damages the lungs, potentially resulting in respiratory failure. Ventilator prevents. If the case becomes serious, even ventilator will not help and it leads to death. The Chinese doctor says though they have got the treatment for coronavirus, still need protection. Let's follow the rules and advice. Before coronavirus enters the lungs, we need to control. When you get contracted with the virus, immediately start this before it reaches the lungs. It stays in the throat for 4 days and starts developing mucus. Within this 4 days, start protecting yourself. This 4 days are crucial. By following the advice of Chinese doctor. Number 1. Continuous start drinking warm liquids. With this, the virus will enter into your stomach with the flow of water or liquids. It starts developing mucus. Mucus will enter into your stomach with the flow of liquids, and neutralizes with the gastric juices. It prevents entering the lungs. Strictly drink warm water with lemon every 15 minutes, because your throat should be wet always. If it gets dried, virus will start its work. Main advice is keeping your throat moist. As much as you can, drink hot drinks like coffee, tea or soup, so your throat is not dry. Chinese are also taking freshly boiled garlic water. Very helpful. Number 2, very helpful remedy proven to keep your nose and throat moist. Put a drop of olive oil in your nose in the morning and night so it is moist for 24 hours, very helpful. Number 3, start gargling frequently with warm water with salt, lemon or vinegar, antiseptic or potassium permanganate. If you feel your nose is stuffy or blocked, take steam. It helps a lot preventing the entry of coronavirus. This way we are trying to defeat the virus and not allowing to attack the lungs. Immunity is very important. Strictly take vitamin C. Please buy vitamin C with bioflavonoids 1000 mg. Also probiotics 10 billion, and zinc is also very helpful in protecting the immune system. Very important. Please take citrus fruits regularly to protect your immune system naturally. Please try to take few dates regularly to keep your immune system strong, very important. Strictly follow. Please stop taking cold water and ice cream. Strictly no to cold juices, soft drinks and sugary items, very dangerous. Strictly follow when you go outside for shopping. If you wear mask and use hand sanitizer, this is not enough. You cannot kill the virus. You are not safe. You will bring the virus with you on your hairs and clothes and on your body to your house. When you arrive home, don't touch your door handle. Please ask someone to open for you if possible. Because the virus will be on your hands, hairs and clothes. Take hot shower and put your clothes in washing, as detergent kills virus. And also throw away all the shopping bags. Also clean all the door handles at home and also car with sanitizers or Dettol, as this virus stays on metals for 9 hours. Strict advice for patients with diabetes, heart disease, respiratory disease, asthma and smokers are at higher risk. Please be very careful. They are vulnerable people. They are contracting the virus quickly. Let's fight together by following China and kill coronavirus and win this war and stay safe. We got the treatment, but it takes time to implement practically. Until then, please follow the rules and advice and stay at home. Let's fight together and stay safe. Please subscribe for new updates.